You guys want to see what $1 million single-story homes look like right here in the newest village in Summerlin West? We're at Tri Pointe Homes today, and we're going to be touring 3 of their model homes at the top of the Summerlin. Stick around. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker. This channel is designed for everything Las Vegas. Whether it's real estate or lifestyle, please reach out. We love hearing from people. We're helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Information's below. Please reach out. Stick around. We're going to get into these model home tours right now. Overlook by Tri Pointe Homes features 3 different single-story floor plans ranging from 2,700 square feet all the way up to 3,300 square feet. Overlook is located in one of the newest villages of Summerlin West, Red Pointe Village. Located along the northern border of Far Hills Drive, Red Pointe Village is a key gateway into Summerlin West, boasting 8 new single-family neighborhoods from a handful of Summerlin's prestigious builders, including Woodside Homes, Toll Brothers, Taylor Morrison, Lennar Homes, Tri Pointe Homes, and Pulte Homes. Summerlin West is comprised of 14 villages. There are 3 existing villages, the Paseos, the Vistas, and Stonebridge, with many more to come on the roughly 5,000 remaining acres, including Red Pointe and Red Pointe Square. So we're standing in front of Plan 1 from Tri Pointe Homes in the Overlook community. This property is 2,821 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, all single-story level. It's got partial views of the Strip, starting at just over $1 million. So let's go on and take a look. As we walk up, you can see the brick paver driveways heading into the 2-car garage. Come on up to the front. Got a nice outdoor patio here, partially covered. Beautiful view back here. Got the glass pivot door for the entry. And as we walk in, we've got a little bit of a seating area right here to your right as we walk in. And then we're just gonna kind of go a flow of this house from here left. I do like that window above the front door there. So we've got a bathroom immediately off to our left from the front door. And then we've got the bedroom on this side of the house. So these 2 bedrooms are going to be separate from the other side of the house. The primary bedroom is going to be completely on the opposite direction. It's got a nice walk-in closet. A little bit of a linen storage here. And yes, I ran into the wall. Bedroom number 2. Very nice. Head this way. Like that fake beam they put in there. We've got a half bath down here that services the downstairs. We've got a smart panel in the closet here. Hook up all your security systems and everything. And a coat closet. And then a half bath. Very nice. So we walk into the main living space. Beautiful beams on the top here. I'm not sure if you can wrap those in the wood to make those look like wood beams, but they've got a beautiful bar that they put in over here. Accent walls behind the TV there. And then this massive kitchen it opens up to. So L-shaped island that comes in here. You got your formal dining over here with beautiful views of the backyard. You got glass panel doors that open up on both sides over here and over here. Go completely open. But look at this kitchen. This is beautiful. 6-burner stove with a griddle on the side. Monogram appliances. And then you've got some windows on the back side of the cabinetry here, which is nice. Lets in a lot of light in the kitchen. Then you've got a pantry off to the side here. A little dark in here. Let's step on over to the other side of the house. So as we walk down here next to the bar, you've got entry to the garage here, and then you've also got entry to the laundry room, but we're going to see that as we go into the primary bedroom. So again, the primary bedroom is off to this side, completely separate from everything else in the house, which is nice. So as we walk in, we've got the primary bathroom. Walk in. Look at this shower, huge stand-up shower. And then we've got a walk-in closet here. Little island here, tons of built-ins. Lots of cool features. Also have another walk-in here. And then access to your laundry room, which was that door that we saw on the other side. And then access to the garage right there as well. Come on and check out the primary bedroom. Nice window. We've got the primary bed here with your slider that goes out to the backyard. The backyard, this one highly upgraded because it's the model, but you've got your spa out here. Partial views of the strip. Some of these rooftops are blocking it, but being up here at the top of Summerlin West, some of the best views of the valley I have seen. Let's go check out a little bit of the backyard. So unfortunately, we can't step out in the backyard because they lock us in these models, but get a nice view, nice pan of that backyard, Parker.
We can put them in a different location than our models, like perhaps it's a different view.
Big covered patio space out here overlooking that pool. Built-in barbecue over on the other side. Again, these are highly upgraded. So this is it for plan number 1. Let's go take a look at plan number 2. So we're standing out here in front of plan number 2 now. This one is 3069 square feet. This one could be 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2-car garage with an extra bay on the side. And this one is starting at about 1.1 million and going up from there. So let's go in and take a look. Again, brick paver driveways heading up to the 2-car garage. And then you've got your third bay over here. Love the stone accents on the front. A nice big patio out here, electric fireplace. Step inside. As we walk in, this is the first time I've been in this model, so we're going to walk in together. Got a bedroom off to the front here, so this is kind of like the multi-generational bedroom, I guess, if you will. It's got its own closet, its own bathroom, completely off to the side in the front. It feels good in here because it's hot outside. Got a cool little office den space here to turn it into. Obviously, this is more of a seating area and a den space right now. Really nice. We'll stay to the right. Got a bathroom off to the right here. So half bath here. Step on in. As we come off to this side, beautiful kitchen. Goes all the way back over here, and then we've got a pantry over here. Keep up, Parker. Kind of a funky design having your ovens, the double ovens, all the way over here in the corner, isn't it? I don't know, maybe that's just me. Obviously highly upgraded in these models as well. Then you've got your main living space over here. Again, we've got panel doors that open wide open to the space. I love this accent with the electric fireplace there as well. Beautiful. Let's head on over to this part of the house. Wood beams up there. Looks like we have the office area off to the left here. To your right, we've got the laundry room, sinks, lots of cabinet space in there. Another bathroom here with dual sinks and a shower. Access to the garage here. I don't think we can go in. No, we cannot. We've got plenty of storage around. Nice coat closet coming off. And then you've got a secondary bedroom on this side here. Let's head back that way. Trying to speed it up a little bit so we can get all of these in one tour. Oh, can't go that way. Formal dining. Then we've got the primary over this side. So all to itself on this side of the house. Get a load of this right here, Parker. Big accent wall with the electric fireplace, dual windows on each side of the fireplace, let in lots of light. Get a view of the pool back here. More windows to the back here with a view, partial view of the strip. Back there, it's beautiful. Look at this bathroom. Wow, huge. Walk-in shower. Lots of counter space here, makeup counter, you got the dual sinks. And then Got the walk-in closet over here. Pretty big. These look like they'd fit you. You want to put these on? No. Okay. Looks like your style, Parker. Let's head back to this side of the house. Got the backyard again. We can't step out in the back, but you get a nice view from where we are up here in this high level overlooking the strip. That's it. Bedroom 1, 2, and bedroom 3. Yeah, that's it for this one. We'll go into plan number 3 right now. All right, now we're in front of plan number 3. This one starts at about 3,200 square feet, depending on the configuration. We're 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 baths, and a 3-car garage. And this one's gonna be starting at about $1.2 million. Come on in. Got the step up here, so be careful. As we walk up here, I love this here. We've got a covered entryway leading into the outdoor patio space. So this is your front door. This is kind of cool. I like this design. You got the pocket doors here as you walk in. Glass pivot door. Thought it was locked out. Wow, this is gorgeous. So let's head this way first. As we come in, we've got a little seating area here with the electric fireplace, the glass panel doors that open up to your patio there with the water feature. And we've also got a glass panel there for your garage. So if you park your fancy car in the garage, you can actually take a look at it while you're sitting here. That's nice. Let's head to this side of the house first, Parker. Come on. We've got a secondary bedroom here with its own bath, shower, walk-in closet over here. Very high ceilings in here too. This is nice. Makes it feel real open. And this one's actually modeling the garage. Oh, we got to look through the glass. So, pretty fancy garage. All right, let's take a look over here. So as we walk down here, this hallway is going to have all of your secondary bedrooms. Got plenty of storage cabinets, storage space here. Got the bathroom off to the hall here for the half bath for the rest of the house. Laundry room off to the side. Again, plenty of countertops and cabinet space for you. This is going to be access to your 3rd bay garage, single garage, locked again. And we've got another big bedroom off to the side here with its own ensuite here. Shower, sinks, whole thing. Beautiful. And as we walk to this side, excuse me, as we walk to this side, obviously this is the main living space. I love this little accent wall here. Pretty cool. Walk in, we've got a bar back to the corner here. I'm gonna serve you up some drinks. So you can see if you've got lots of guests, this is a great space for you. Got plenty of seating area here with the formal dining here. We've got another island, a second island in the kitchen here with your cooktop island, massive hood range. But look at this view from the kitchen sink. Unbelievable. Got a nice view of the backyard and Las Vegas partial strip views. But this is look at these windows also open. These are panel doors. Come all the way open to keep this all the way open to the pool. Great design. Pantry. Don't forget about the pantry. Kind of a smaller pantry for this size house, but you got a living space off to the side here with elevated ceilings, lots of accent panels on the ceiling here, the wood panels on the ceiling. Again, you got pocket doors that slide open here. This old space opens wide open. I love this space right here. It feels just massive. Let's go on and check out the primary bedroom. Yeah, we'll save that for last. There's the primary bedroom here. Nice windows over the bed. You got vaulted ceilings in here. And again, you got fire suppression systems in all these new homes now because it's code. And then your own walkout balcony here, or walkout patio here, with the panel doors that open wide open again to the strip. And you can see all of the building that's going on up here. Tons and tons of homes going in. Cool. Check out the primary bathroom. Wow, look at this soaking tub. You got the floating cabinets with the under lighting, indirect lighting, massive just walk-in shower there. Soaking tub off to the side with a nice little window so you can stare at your neighbors while you're in the tub. Just kidding. This is a great closet. Wow, look at that. Very fancy. Yeah. I don't know if I have fancy enough clothes for this closet. Okay, come on. So this is a beautiful space, and this is it for plan number 3. So thanks for coming on the tour with us, you guys, of these beautiful Tri-Pointe homes right here in the newest village of Summerlin West. Again, this channel was designed everything Las Vegas, you guys. We love showing everybody what it's like to live here, what it's like to play here, and anything about real estate or lifestyle, please reach out. We love hearing from people. We're helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. So my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker. Please reach out. Comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. It really helps us out. We love making these videos. As long as you keep watching, we'll keep making them. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.